Jonathan Bizzo bass. On the guitarro, we call him a tarro. A taro sacco on the guitar. On the drums, doing a wonderful job on his first gig with the band. First time playing with Phat Mr. Jose Rodriguez. Also on his first time playing with the band, on the trumpet, Mr. Robert Sears. The engineer, the mastermind, the guy who makes it sound good, Mr. Corey Simmons on the trombone. This guy right here, he's been making a lot of the beautiful new arrangements that we're playing. Anytime you hear us sing a new song, it's likely because Mr. Sean O'Kelly arranged it. Ladies and gentlemen, Sean O'Kelly. And it goes all the way back to that day in Orange County Fair when we saw Big Bad Voodoo Daddy 13 years ago. Mr. Will the Thrill and I, my best friend here, we started the band, and then we'll finish it when we die. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Together, we are